Have you ever wanted to impress your friends and family around the campfire with your awesome guitar skills? Well, this can seem a little bit daunting, especially if you aren't used to playing in front of others and you don't know what to play. But fear not, as I've handpicked 7 easy campfire songs that not only use 7 chords, but we're going to learn them in 7 minutes. And as an added bonus, I have all the transcriptions on my website for you to download. I recommend that you go to my website, download the transcription, print them off, put them in a binder, and bring them with you for your campfire playing. Now, this is a free download. All I ask that you do is drop a like, comment, subscribe, not only to my monthly newsletter, but also to this channel. Hello everybody and welcome. Guitar Guru Jeff here, where I teach you the guitar lessons I wish I would have had at your playing level and to help you learn the guitar funner and faster. Let's grab our guitars, let's get going. Alright, so to make things easier, we're only going to be learning the most memorable part of each song. You know, when it comes to playing and singing these songs in a sing-along environment, in the campfire situation, don't worry about it if you don't have that great of a voice. I don't either. This is campfire music. The idea is to get everybody to join in and sing along. You can always print off the lyrics and chord charts that I've given you on my website and hand them out to people to sing along. So as I mentioned earlier, there's only going to be 7 chords we need to play all 7 of these songs. I'm assuming that you probably know most of these chords, if not all of them, but if you need to refresh your memory, feel free to pause the video right now to review them. Alright, song number 1 is going to be Wonderwall by Oasis. Now with this song, we're going to grab an E minor chord and we're going to play down, down. Then we're going to go to a G chord and finish off the pattern. So that's down, down on E minor, down, up, down, down. You're going to repeat that same pattern with the next 2 set of chords. D chord, just down, 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 up, down, down. That's how the whole verse is going to work for the song. So, today is going to be the day that we're going to throw it back to you. Right? By now, you should have somehow realized what you've got to do. Right? So once again, don't worry about how you're singing. I'm not a good singer. I'm not a great singer at all. I'm just trying to I'm trying to throw the melody out there for people to sing along. So. All right, moving right along. Song number 2, Knocking on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. This is a very simple song to strum since we're only going to just be strumming down. Now each chord's going to get 2 strums until we get to the end of the line of each verse where we're going to strum the chord 4 times. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to sing, all right? I'm going to do my best. Mama, take this badge of me. It's 4 times in the A minor, right? I can't use it anymore. Right? 4 times on C, going to the next line twice. It's getting dark, too dark to see. 4 times on A minor, right? Going to the next line. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. 4 times. Here we go with the chorus. You ready? Everybody sing along. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Alright, moving right along. We got 7 minutes to get these songs down. Let's get going. Song number 3 is Browne Girl by Van Morrison. Let's go over the strum pattern. The strum pattern itself is very simple. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. If we're going to do that for each chord, I'm going to do my best to try to sing and play this. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Right? These songs really aren't in my range for voice. I don't even know what songs are in my vocal range, actually. So let's get going. So we have down, down, up, down, up, down, up on G. We're going to start. So whatever happens, right? To Tuesday so slow, right? Going down the old line with transistor radio, standing in the sunlight laughing. to the fourth song. We got 7 songs in 7 minutes. We got to get moving. This song is Bad Moon on the Rise, or Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Let's take a look at what's going on with the strum pattern. Now the strum pattern in the verse is going to be a little different than the chorus. The chorus is going to be kind of like a condensed version of what's going on in the verse. Let's talk about the strum pattern. The basic strum pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, right? So the way it's going to work for the verse, we're going to start off with the very first line. I see bad moon rising. See how it's working? I see trouble on the way. Here we go with the chorus. You ready? Let's talk about the chorus. The chorus is just going to be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. For the first 2 lines and the very last line, we're going to kick back into what we were doing in the verse. So let's give it a shot. Don't, all right, I'm in the wrong key. Don't go around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. So moving right along, we have Riptide by Byan Joy. Now I love this song. Not only is it because it's more of a recent song, but also because it uses the same strum pattern as the last song that we worked on. What was that strum pattern for Bad Moon Rise? Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Now we're going to apply that to just about every single chord in the song. All right, let's give it a shot from the verse. Starting with A minor. All right, I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Right along, song number 6. I love this song because it's super easy to play. This is one of those very memorable songs. Possibly you only hear it every time you go to the dentist office. Usually 70s hits are rolling at my dentist's office for some reason. Shout out to my wife on this one. Okay, so check this out. It's really easy strum. In the right hand, it uses what's called a swing. I like to call it a gallop strum because it's sort of like an 8th note. So it's sort of like dot, 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 but they're separated a little bit further apart. It's more like a blues. On the first part of the journey, I was looking for all the life, the plants and birds and rocks and things, hills, sands, hills and rings. Too many words in the song, right? La 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 la. There we have it, song number 7, I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Now I love the strum pattern in this song because it's kind of a combination. The reason why I chose this song, it's kind of a combination between Riptide and also A Horse with No Name. Let's talk about it a little bit. So what we're going to be doing for the strum pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Well, you've done me and I bet that I felt it. Time to be chilled, just so hot and melted. Fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. So before we wrap it up, I want to encourage you to share your favorite Campfire songs in the comments below. Did I miss any? Did I hit a few of them? And I also like for you to suggest some future topics for me to create lessons out of. Now don't forget to check out all the rest of my videos on my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Have a great day.